Welcome to Braven Tutorials, your premier destination for mastering the Slides.ai program and its array of AI-driven features. AI-powered design. Elevate your presentations with AI-driven design tools that seamlessly enhance your slides' aesthetics, ensuring captivating visual content effortlessly. Magic Write. Experience the power of AI-driven content creation with Magic Write, a feature that transforms textual inputs or prompts into impactful presentation content, streamlining your workflow and boosting productivity. Editable presets. Customize your presentations with ease using editable presets, empowering you to tailor pre-designed templates to your specific needs, ensuring every slide reflects your unique style and message. Unlock the full potential of the Slides.ai program with Braven Tutorials. Stay tuned for expert tips and insights to level up your presentation game like never before.